Hello guys and welcome to VoloKin Project. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and size comparison of the Redmi 7. Now why exactly this phone? Because it fits under the 100 pounds mark here in the UK. I bought this one for like 95 pounds, something like that, and it's important because that's how big companies realize the importance of the cheap phones. They're just getting, valuable fans hooked up who will potentially buy, for example, their more expensive phones like the Redmi K20 Pro over here. I've got a few videos on that phone on my channel as well. So first of all, let's have a look at these specifications. After that, we're gonna do a quick unboxing and size comparison with other phones. And check this out, guys. For the price you pay, you're getting some pretty sweet specifications over here. Almost 6.3-inch, 720 plus screen, Snapdragon 632, 4000 milliamp hours of battery, 12 megapixel camera plus 2 megapixel bokeh. That's 2 megapixel bokeh, yeah, a little bit useless. 8 megapixel selfie camera. I've got the 32 gig version with 3 gigabytes of RAM, which should be enough for everyday usage, guys. So now let's see my manpower. Let's see how strong I am. Did I eat my spinach in the morning? Man, apparently I didn't. So I'm not gonna struggle anymore. I'm just gonna cut this baby from over here, guys, and see what we have in the box. By the way, I have just unboxed the Samsung A20e, which is its main competitor here in the UK, for about the 100 pound mark. So make sure you check this one as well. So let's see what do we actually have over here, guys. Okay, all right, come on, all right, okay. So what do we have over here? I sense a case. Oh yeah, a case. Excellent silicone case. That's good bonus, especially for 100 pounds. I can't complain of having a case. The phone is, man, check this out. Okay, I'm gonna leave it on the side over here. You've got a charger and a cable. Let's see how powerful that charger is. Let's see, what do we have? Okay, 10 watts. Not very powerful, especially for 4000 milliamp hours of battery. But again, for 100 quid, I can't really complain, guys. So let's see, what do we have over here. I'm just gonna peel this baby like that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna peel this one off as well. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna peel this one as well. At the front, too much things to peel. Too much, I'm going to complain. And yeah, that's it, guys. Check this out. Man, I like this phone. I definitely like it. It's a little bit on the big side though, but check this out, this back cover, guys. Of course, it's made out of plastic, but it's quite interesting, the gradient towards the dark blue, towards the, lighter blue over here, the dual camera setup. Let's see what the SIM tray is about, by the way. I'm going to get my, let's see, how is this called? Pin, SIM ejection pin. Yeah, SIM ejection pin. And let's see what do we have over here, guys. Excellent. Check this out. 2 SIMs and 1 micro SD card slot. Excellent. I'm going to put my SIM in. Let's see, SIM 1 is over here in that particular case. I'm going to pop this baby open, and in the meantime, I'm going to power up the phone. Until the phone is powered up, I'm going to do a quick comparison with other phones, guys. Check this out. Its main competition over here, as I told you, the Samsung A20e. Check this out. Noticeably bigger than this one, but it has a bigger screen and bigger battery. What else over here? The Motorola One. Check this out, guys. Noticeably bigger than the Motorola One as well. And the Honor 8X. Check this out. Pretty much the same size, a little bit shorter than the Honor 8X. And well, I wouldn't say equally beautiful because that's plastic, but it definitely feels very nice, guys. The Honor 8X is twice the price. MIUI 10, we've got a 7.2-inch screen, guys. 7.2? Did I say 7.2? 6 point, how much? What was the size of the screen? Bloody hell, I already forgot. Let me see, 6.26-inch screen. Yes, that's 720p HD plus. So let's find my network. Yeah, no no 5 GHz networks. But yeah, let me just put my information in, guys, and we're gonna talk about quickly why such devices are so important, guys. It means that if you can kind of nail a cheap phone like that, you can definitely make a bigger one. And the thing is that you buy this phone, and one day if you're happy, you probably buy this one for yourself or for your wife or for your kids or for whatever it is. That's the idea of the cheap phones. Manufacturers probably are not exactly making money on these phones, guys, but their idea is to hook you up for the brand. For example, like the Honor 8X, when it came out late 2018, yes, people were surprised how come they've managed to, you know, get such a wonderful phone for just over 200 quid. I wouldn't say that was a flagship killer, but let's say it was a mid-range premium killer, something like that. So yeah, they might not make a ton of money on these phones, but they hook you up as a valued customer over here. Okay, so the phone is almost ready, guys. I'm just gonna slap the case over here so we can see what we're actually dealing with. I should have started the other way around, but yeah. So the notch over here is not the teardrop notch, unfortunately, is the normal kind of rounded notch. Over here still are blaster. Can you imagine, guys? 3.5mm jack and the actual microphone, and one more microphone at the back. Now power button here, volume rocker here. One thing I don't like is this flap over here. Check this out, guys. Why does it have a flap on top of the, check this out, micro USB charging port? Is it micro USB? Yeah, micro USB charging port, guys, which is not a very nice thing to see. And the case itself is a little bit, how can I put it? Check this out. When you hold the phone like that, the case is a little bit loose over here on this side and not very nice. But what do you expect for 100 quid? Actually, I remember that the last budget Xiaomi device that I reviewed, the Xiaomi Redmi S2, wasn't actually very good, but this one looks nice, man. It looks nice. The screen gets plenty bright. Yes, it's 720p, but from the naked eye it looks quite nice actually. And let's test the fingerprint reader. Man, check this out. This fingerprint reader is actually, is it quick? What's going on over here? Okay, now the phone is still setting up. Man, it doesn't work all the time. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's unlocked already. Okay. So it's kind of like that, very quick, but it doesn't work all the time. Anyway, I'm just gonna try to set it up once more. But man, for 100 quid, of course the bottom bezel is a little bit big, but for 100 quid, I can't really complain. But this flap, man, this flap is pissing me off. Yes, you have to close it, but it's like, why anyway, guys. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. I'm going to do a speed test between both of those phones because they're both 100 quid at the moment, the Redmi 7 and the Samsung A20e, yeah, A20e, yeah, both of them 100 quid. I'm going to do a speed test, Exynos versus Snapdragon 632, to see which one is better and faster. And of course I'm going to do a full comparison between both of those phones. But let me tell you, for 100 quid you can't really go wrong with any of those phones, guys. That's about it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and subscribe to VoloKin Project or else. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you later. Bye.